Hello and welcome to Vigyanology. Today we are here to do one experiment which I like you to show, which is very common and found in all biology textbook from 6 to 10. Here we are doing starch test of a leaf to find that whether leaf is making food or not. So we need one or two potted plant like this or this. Here we have to be sure that leaves are green, totally green, not variegated. The leaves should be green and normal and soft. Now this potted plant I am keeping in darkness. I am here with a plant which I need to keep it in dark. So here is a cupboard which is dark enough, so I am keeping this inside the cupboard. I got another plant which is green in color. This is also I am keeping in dark. This I like to keep for 3 days. I am taking out the plants after 3 days, 72 hours. This is one plant. This is another plant. So they are hale and hearty. Now I am taking a fresh, nice leaf and putting black pepper on it. Something like this. So putting this way on a paper so that some places light does not come. I'm using a stapler here like this. After 3 days keeping in dark, covering with black pepper, we came to a sunny part of my house. This is roof. I am keeping these plants in sunlight. After keeping the plant in sunlight for 2 hours, we are getting the plant here and we are plucking the leaf where we have done the experiment. So suppose we have done this experiment in this leaf, we will cut it. We will get this leaf, we will get this leaf. So we will get this leaf where the black strip is attached. After this we will take only one leaf, we will remove the black strip. We got the leaf which now we will do experiment. We will require a gas cylinder and Bunsen burner if you are doing in the lab. But if you are doing at home, any gas, any cooking gas with normal burner will also do. For this burner, we need a tripod stand and a wire gauge. We need ether and betadine solution from drugstore. We also need glass beaker, or if you are doing at home, you need some container which will not damage by heat. This is a Borosil glass, so we can boil in that also. We also will need small beaker. Sometimes it's necessary to have dropper as well. We will need petri dish if you are doing in the lab, but if you do not, then you can take a plate. But remember, in the plate you will give iodine to do the work, so it may be risky to eat later on in that plate. So then keep the plate separate because iodine is poisonous. We need mastic or lighter. We also is good to have a forceps. I suggest strongly to have fire extinguisher. Although it's a small fire extinguisher, but if by chance something happens, so you will have good fire extinguisher to do. So we should have a fire extinguisher. Suppose suddenly it burns, so we will have this to give it so that the fire get extinguished. Now I am doing the experiment here. So I am switching on the cylinder and putting the fire on and keeping the cylinder down. This is the Bunsen burner. I am giving the wire gauge here and some water in beaker. This is boiling, this is getting heated. I am giving these leaves in the boiling water. Now when water is boiling here, we are keeping the alcohol ready. So getting the rectified spirit in a small beaker. And we are switching off the fire. Fire is off, no fire now. Now we are getting this spirit in the boiled water. So we get these leaves in the spirit and keep this spirit in boiling water. So here we can see there is no fire. This is boiling water, but here spirit is boiling. So you can see here the leaf become lighter color and the spirit become green. So this way we are keep this in the boiling water, so that we are boiling leaf in rectified spirit which boils in 78 degree. So this alcohol become green. Now I am putting this in a fresh alcohol and putting it here. This was the boiling water. Here I am keeping this on. So here the alcohol boils in 78 degree. This water was boiling in 100 degree. We kept it here so that alcohol start boiling. Here we can see the leaf nearly lost its color. Most of the color came here. So we can try this. If it does not happen, then we will try. So we got some normal water. This leaf was in alcohol for last 17 minutes in the boiling alcohol and the leaf become white. Leaf lost most of its green color. Now I am dipping this in normal water. So these alcohol become green. You know why? Yeah, it got all the chlorophyll dissolved in it and came out. So now we got these white leaves. We can do the other test. We got a petri dish. We got two petri dishes here. We got betadine in one, iodine in one, just to see which does better. We got this leaf which is nearly white with betadine solution. We got the other leaf with iodine solution. We keep for some time. So after few minutes we found this is the case. Can you see distinct strip here? This is the second leaf. Here also a distinct strip I can see. So here we are, the result showing distinctly that there was a black strip here. And that shows black strip has not allowed starch to form. The black color is the starch which has been formed due to sunlight, due to photosynthesis. Well, let me give you a tips. Many a time you don't have a Bunsen burner, but you have a cooking gas. Cooking gas burner and Bunsen burner is nearly same because same blue flame it gives. If you do not have a beaker, big beaker, Borosil beaker, doesn't matter. You can simply take a pan. We are now in my kitchen. This is the kitchen oven with gas. This is my utensil. So instead of doing in the beaker, I am showing you how you can do in your kitchen as well. So I am getting some water from here. We got some water. I am switching on the burner. I am boiling water. These leaves I have plucked from the plant which we already kept 3 days in dark and then putting black strip, keep in the sunlight for 2 hours. These are 4 leaves here. I am putting it in the water to boil. We got few variegated leaves as well. So here the advantage is we did not put black strip, we did not keep 3 days in darkness, we did not keep 2 hours in sunlight. We simply pluck variegated leaf from plants and start boiling in water. Look here, water already boiling. I am switching off fire. Fire is not on. I am taking normal utensil from the kitchen. I have taken a glass. I am taking this alcohol, putting in the glass. I am using normal things in the kitchen like leaf, like spoon, putting it in alcohol. Leaves are already soft and now I am keeping it in the boiled water here. You can see there is no fire here, no fire, only hot water and there alcohol is boiling. So there is no risk. We kept this alcohol in hot water for some time, but we found some greenery left in the leaf, but alcohol although become green, taken lots of chlorophyll, but the water is become quite cold. So we are heating water again and we are putting fresh alcohol here. Never keep the leaf dry, so keeping fresh alcohol here. Switched off fire again, and in this hot water we are keeping this alcohol with leaf again. Look here. Started boiling again. We got some normal water here. So already leaf has lost color. I'm taking these leaves, putting it in normal water. Some of them lost all color. This was variegated leaf. Now these leaves, I am keeping it in the normal plate. So we kept the leaf in sunlight for few hours and so starch has been formed. But the strip where black strip was there is white strip, showing that there was no starch. Why there is no starch? Black strip has not allowed light to enter. So there was no photosynthesis. So starch has not been stored there. So this shows clearly that light is necessary for photosynthesis. This is a simple starch test. No, not so simple. It's quite complicated in one way. There are different stages. So I am summarizing what we did. Number one, we took the plant, kept it in dark for 3 days. In the darkness, plant do respiration, so they consume all the starch which they store in their leaves. So the leaf becomes starchless. Then we kept the leaf in sunlight, putting some black strip on it. Now the black strip is not allowed light to enter, but in other places sunlight entered, photosynthesis happened and they made starch. Well, although this experiment has some stages but not too difficult. When you switched off the fire, you have no risk. Then you can simply put alcohol in boiling water. The alcohol will start boiling because alcohol boils in 78 degree, whereas water boils in 100 degree. So you have still 20 degree time where water slowly cools down. You will still have alcohol boiling about 10-12 minutes. You can again boil the water, again switch off the fire, then do it. Then you have no problem. If not, many a time alcohol start burning, and when alcohol burn, you cannot extinguish so quickly if you don't have fire extinguisher. So be very careful about it. So I hope you enjoyed the experiment. I hope teachers will be able to show, and with the added guidance you will also can do it at your home. Please, if you can do, then give me a comment, give your remarks, and if you have any problem, that also you can write to me. I will always be helpful. My email ID is given below. Also, you can write in this comment box. I will surely respond. Hope you will keep on enjoying Vigyanology. Please subscribe. Please keep on visiting my YouTube channel, and if you get any new ideas which you want me to do, please write in remarks. Thank you. Please subscribe and share. Hope to see you again. Thank you.